Hello ma'am, may I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
Hi, I am Jyoti and I stay here in Bhubaneswar, Hebat and Park.
How old is your child?
He's 3.5 years old and yeah.
What were you looking for here?
I was basically looking for homely and friendly and caring environment since they joined preschool at a very young age. And along with that, basic learning environment and the basic foundation for their better future.
Which other play schools did you consider?
Oh, I think we considered almost all the schools in this locality and we finally chose Shivana.
Why did you choose Shivana Academy?
I think according to my knowledge, there are three kinds of preschools. One is Playway, another is Montessori, and the third one is Concept School. Here, I think when I visited and spoke to them, I thought they are trying to inculcate all the aspects, most of the aspects of all the preschools, which will benefit the kids' overall development.
How has your experience been with Shivana Academy?
Oh, excellent! I'm very happy with the management, the team, staff, and also the support staff. Excellent.
Anything that could be better?
No, I think they have unique. There's something unique about their teaching methodology, wherein at the end of the day that your child has learned a lot of new things and you are happy about it, and the kid also enjoys. My child is enjoying very much here, and he's very happy. His language has improved, his manners. They take care of all the small things. Be it basic skills, their moral education, manners. Sports-wise, music, dance, he's enjoying each and everything in the school.
Based on your experience, tell me two best things about Shivana Academy.
That's what I told you. There's something unique about their methodology of teaching. The child will learn without any boredom, or he enjoys learning here. That's what I have seen with my kid. He's enjoying each and as soon as he comes home, he tells me what all he did in the school, and he is all praise to the school.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Shivana Academy to the other parents?
Definitely 5.
Thank you, ma'am.